Hello everyone, you're welcome once more again to this ultimate YouTube channel where you learn different topics and how to solve problems on those areas in maths. So today we are going to look at a word problem. I'm going to simply read it. A bag contains 89 toy balls. Some are big, others are small. Each small ball weighs 2 grams and each big ball weighs 5 grams. The total weight of the balls in the bag is 256 grams. Find the number of each type of ball in the bag. All right, so if we observe the question here, you see that the bag contains some are what? Big balls, while some are what? Small balls. So we can start to interpret this problem into a mathematical problem. When you have a word problem, what you want to do is you want to interpret it into a mathematical problem. So our solution to this question, we want to say let the what? The big balls be what? L, represent L. Then let the small balls, okay, represent S. So that's our first step. Let the big balls represent L and let the small balls represent what? S. So, but the question says a bag contains what? 89 toy balls. So what does that mean? It means L plus S gives us what? 89. Because some are big, some are small. If it contains 89 balls, it means L plus S will give us what? 89. So let's write that down quickly. So I have L plus S gives us what? 89 balls. Because the question says the bag contains what? 89 toy balls. So if L is the big balls and S is the small balls, if we add them, it gives us 89. Now, each small ball weighs what? 2 grams. So the small ball weighs 2 grams and each big ball weighs what? 5 grams. Okay, so 2 grams for the small ball and what? 5 grams for the big balls. So we can write it like this: 5 times L plus what? 2 times what? S. The total weight of the balls in the bag is what? 200 and what? 50 what? 6. So we've been able to interpret the next statement that each small ball weighs what? 2 grams. So we multiply it by 2. And each big ball weighs what? 5 grams. Multiply it by 5. Now it says the total weight of the balls in the bag is this. So here is the total. So we've been able to interpret the next aspect of this problem. So we're given the total number of balls, which is 89 balls. So the big balls plus the small balls will give us this. We're given the total weight of the ball, and for the small we have 2 grams for each. For the large or big balls we have 5 grams for each. So we have to multiply 5 to each of the big balls and 2 to each of the small balls, and the total given us this. Now to find the number of each type of balls in the bag. So we have to find what? From what we have to find what? L and what? S. So this will give us a simultaneous equation. So I have L plus L equals 89. 5 times L is 5L plus 2 times S is 2S is equals to 256. So how do we go about solving this? I can say that equation 1, we can multiply all this by 5. All right, so we are going to multiply equation 1 by 5. If we multiply that, we have this as 5L plus what? 5S equals to 5 times this will give us what? 45, carry 4. 5 times 8 is 40 plus 4, so we have 44. All right, so I haven't gotten this. Remember our equation 2 is this, so I'm going to write it down. Now we are going to use elimination method. We'll subtract both equations since the coefficient of L is the same. So 5L minus 5L is 0 plus this is 5S minus what? Minus 2S. And we are going to subtract this side. So I'll break this to this is 3, this is 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 3 minus 5 can also break this. This is 3, this is 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 5s minus 2s will give us what? 3s is equals to 189. So what do we do to get s? Divide both sides by 3. So if we divide both sides by 3, okay, we are going to see that our s will be, so this cancel out, so our s is 189 divided by what? 3. So this will give us what? So 3 into this is how many times? 6. 3 into 9 is 3. So we have 63 watts bulbs. All right. But we have to recall that what? L plus S gave us what? 89 bulbs. So already we've been able to know the number of small balls in the bag. Okay. So we can substitute it. Now I want to know the large balls. So L plus S is what? 63 balls equals to what? 89 balls. So how do we get the big balls or the large balls in the bags? So we are going to simply remove 63 from both sides. So this minus this is 0, so we are left with L. So 89 minus 63, 9 minus 3 will give us what? 6. 8 minus 6 will give us what? 2. So we have 26 balls. Right, from this, the number of each type of ball, okay, we have the big balls gave us what? 26, and the small balls in the bag gave us what? 63 balls. So this gives us the solution to this problem. All right, thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, like and share this video to your friends and lovers.